Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this SIEMORL Smartwatch for men. Really cool thing is that because you can make answer and make calls, you have a fitness tracker. It's a like military tactical watch with 1.43 inches AMOLED screen. It is a smartwatch for Android and for iPhones. That means all kind of phones, nearly all kind of phones can use with that smartwatch here. Of course, you can use it without a smartwatch, without a smartphone. It's possible, of course, but to get the full bunch of cool stuff, you will need an app, and of course, you will need a smartphone with that app installed, and then show can start. Heart rate, sleep monitor, IP68 waterproof, and so many more things on this smartwatch are possible. This new connected watch format features a Bluetooth 5.0 speakerphone and microphone, so we can manage calls, sync the contacts informations, and view all logs on the go. It also alerts us to important app messages and notifications from Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, etc. via vibration. This connected watch is compatible with Android 4.4 and iOS 8.0 or later, and it comes with a 360 mAh battery for an extra long battery life. It offers a range of useful features including noise monitoring, weather forecast, music control, alarm clock, stopwatch, the watch finder, and many more. Surprises waiting for us to discover with that smartwatch. We can enjoy more than 60 sports modes such as walking, running, cycling, cricket, football with visual data tracking. That means steps, distance, calories, and so on. It's displayed on the smartwatch screen. This watch is our ideal companion for scientific training. It is also IP68 waterproof, rainproof, and splashproof, but it's not suitable for a prolonged use in warm or salt water, of course. The energy efficient 1.43-inch AMOLED display offers a 466 resolution to ensure a captivating viewing experience. Whether we prefer sleek, minimalist, artistic, or a sporty design, we can customize our watch face to reflect our unique style as we like. And there are so many faces in the app you can download and transfer to the smartwatch. That's really cool. And the fitness tracking watch here has a built-in high-performance motion sensor that monitors our heart rate in real time to help us better understand the heart rate trends. It keeps an eye on our health indicators, as well as records women's menstrual periods, for example, if you are a woman to wear this watch, of course. And it automatically monitors our sleep status and providing comprehensive sleep quality analytics to help us better understand our health status and make appropriate lifestyle adjustments as we like. Long battery for our outdoor activities with that smartwatch. Military quality, escort or extreme adventure with it. It's possible to get this watch in silver or in black. IP68 waterproof, shockproof, zinc alloy cover, step counter, sports mode, and 360 mAh capacity. We can use it for Bluetooth calling and message notification. This smartwatch can timely remind us of received messages, calls, social media message, and so on. We won't miss any important information. Oh yeah. For example, we can tell Siri, if we have it on the phone, please call someone, and then we can make a call via the smartwatch. We have an always-on display clock if you like, an AI voice assistant, and weather available in two colors, over 60 or 100 sports modes. Yeah, it working hours is 5 up to 10 days. Maybe it's not 10 days if you work with it every day, but 5 is really cool. 30 days of standby time is possible, and all-day physical health data monitoring on a 1.43 inches AMOLED always-on display if you like. This upgraded the smartwatch with our premium stainless steel strap here. So we can choose the stainless steel strap, or you like the silicone strap. You can choose with the easy tool-free assembling and disassembling of the band. It's no problem for everyone. Crafted from 304 fine steel, this strap combines durability, style, and functionality to enhance our overall smartwatch experience. It's designed to withstand various conditions. The stainless steel strap is water and sweat resistant, ensuring it remains in pristine conditions even during intensive workouts or outdoor activities. It is high temperature resistant. It allows us to wear in confidently in any climate or weather. With its dust resistant properties, we can enjoy our smartwatch without worrying about debris or particles affecting its performance. The non-deformable design ensures that the strap maintains its shape and stays securely on our wrist. Not only it's strong and wear resistant, but the stainless steel strap also adds an elegant touch to our smartwatch, elevating its aesthetics appeal. Whether we are attending of a formal event or going about our daily activities, this strap is the perfect complement to our smartwatch, and it's included. And an upgraded to the stainless steel strap and experience the perfect blend of the style and functionality for our smartwatch here. And it's compatible with the most mainstream phone brands, including iOS and Android system. It is easy to connect the watch to our phone via Bluetooth. It's so easy, so you download the app to communicate with it. It's the Fit Cloud Pro app, FITCLOUDPRO app. You can find it in the App Store, on the Play Store. And then you can easily pair it. You open the Fit Cloud app, and of course you have to make an account, but this is for free, no problem for it. And then we go to add a peripheral now. Then we find the K59 watch and click on it. After a second, it is paired. Really cool, isn't it? And then we can start. It is a full touch display, so you can swipe with your fingers through the menus. You can download faces with the app, and then you can transport them into the watch itself. And of course, then you will get a better life with the SIEMORL smartwatch for man. We can answer and make calls with it. We have a fitness tracker and all military tactical 1.43 inches AMOLED smartwatch for Android and iPhones, with a heart rate and sleep monitor as you need it. You get it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.